dropping my load off, and it done went to snowing on my ass. Look at this shit. Heavy snow, man. I gotta go, man. They about to close I-80 down. I got to leave before they close 80 down, man. I can't get stuck up here, man. Look at this shit, man. Snow everywhere, man. Lord have mercy, boy. Look at this shit. See the snow? Got to go, man. Bitch, it's snowing like a motherfucker, boy. Bitch, I'm doing 25 miles an hour. I wouldn't give a damn. Bitch, go, yeah, shoot on around me, bitch. I wouldn't give a fuck, boy. Look at this shit. Out of nowhere, kid. Got up in this mountain. It's snowing like a bitch. Turned them houses on. Yeah. I went to cruising that bitch. But one thing about this snow, you hit them brakes, you gonna slide. So get what? Just go slow. Make it home, my boy. Be safe. Don't be sorry. Be safe. Now I'm in the snowstorm. Man, that bitch say slick spots, turn off cruise control. Man, boy. Boy, this shit here, boy. Look at this shit, man. And it's so crazy because on the other side of the mountain, it ain't even snowing. I gotta get out this mountain, boy. Wind blowing hard as a bitch. Come on, Lord, get me through here. Goodness gracious. Oh my Lord, man, the lights flashing. Slick spots entering blow over risk. Oh my Lord Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. Get me through here, baby. Oh Lord Jesus, I can't see. Where everybody went at, they done haul ass on me. Bitch, I need to get behind somebody now. I can't even see the damn road. Come on, T-baby, you gotta get up out of here, boy. You gotta slow down to get up out of here. Damn, I'm scared as a bitch, boy. Come on, baby. It's gonna be all right. God got me. Okay, I'm coming up on my truck that was cruising. He just left me though. I'm coming up on him now. I got to get up on him, boy. I can't even see the damn road. Got to get over this mountain, but once we get over this mountain, we good. Got to get over this mountain, dog. And they got trolls sitting there. They say this a little light one. This ain't nothing. What? This the dangerous. So, oh, this a little light storm. This ain't nothing, man. You crazy as hell, man. This shit is dangerous. Nigga trying to get the fuck on. That little troll right there riding. As long as I follow them at this pace, I'll be all right. Get on up and through here. Shit say 45 miles per hour. Which I'm gonna do up under that. Get all this ice on the road, man. Yeah, I'm trying to get up out of it. That's my leader, that truck right there, my leader. I'm trying to get behind him. Get up out of here. Get all that shit, man. Snow every damn well. Look at my window.